belong to the leading private general insurer, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Before you to speak on the financial inclusion, the bank's financial inclusion is again hand in hand with insurance. Bajaj Allianz, as a company, we started dreaming of digitalization, digitalized Bajaj Allianz from the day we started our operations in India. We are almost there. We have almost realized our dream, and we are looking for digitalized India dream. When I'm talking about financial inclusion, where do we come into play? Just like the rural masses could not get across to formal banking operations or lending services, credit services, they also did not have access to insurance requirements. They hardly had knowledge about where to buy insurance, how to protect the people, how to protect the property. So once the financial inclusion was introduced by the banks, we also followed suit by joining hands with our bank partners to make use of the business correspondents to sell micro insurance products in the rural and town areas. Why do we have to do this? Because 50% of the population of India, approximately, still remain uncovered either for life insurance or for accident insurance. And this being the majority, as a country going forward, we also had to look at providing accessibility to insurance. So we have got into digitalization. Business correspondents being used by our bank partners are also being used to sell personal accident insurance, home insurance, and we have now heard of Jammu and Kashmir natural calamities losses. All these things do happen in the rural and small towns, and so far, so long they were without any insurance support. Today, with the digitalization of policies, brochures, product knowledge, and the quotations to be given on the spot, we have been able to move a good mile towards reaching the masses to the final point. How did we do it is a point that you may ask. Yes, we have developed applications which can be used on a tab or on a mobile phone, and a quote can be raised by our people on the spot. Details can be fed in and policy can be converted there itself. This is a way long. If you look at the PSUs and the earlier two nationalization days when we were working before private companies came into picture, one had to walk into the insurance company to get his papers done. So, and there were hardly any companies which were opening branches in the rural areas excepting out of compulsion. So this method of using the applications on the tab and on the mobile phone has enabled the customer to either buy policies directly, thanks to the internet facility which our central government is also really pushing it forward in the rural areas, and even claim settlement. It is not only that policies are required, we also have to service the customers when the claims are occurring. That is also being done online by enabling our people with a tab usage with the required applications. Photographs of the damages are taken, uploaded to our head office, and there they are able to view it immediately and give approvals. Just to cite an example, in the J&K, Jammu and Kashmir losses which had taken place, our company, all the companies were quite fast in settling the claims. We had even moved much faster, and I would say that J&K being our banker partner, we almost had 10,000 claims coming to us. We were able to clear 50% of the claims in a matter of 3 weeks, just because of the digitalization and because we were able to get claims done online. All that I would like to say here is that we are moving towards digitalization, and another thing which we have done as an initiative which other companies are also following up, like ICICI Lombard and other companies, we are opening virtual offices across rural areas and towns. This is an initiative which has been started, and other companies are also following suit, where again the company employees will be on the spot, meeting the rural customer, meeting the small customer in the small towns, issuing policies, giving them service for claims, and also taking insurance agents there, releasing them commission on a much more frequent basis than on a monthly basis, because you can expect a smaller income on a thing, wages bearing. We also have introduced a product for the rural, which is called microfinance product, which is again connected with the financial inclusion. This microfinance product enables an accidental cover for the small agriculturists or even laborers who are working in the field, who meet with an accident. They get a compensation immediately of 25,000. They can also cover their spouses out of that. There is also an inbuilt cover in that. Out of an accident, if the person is hospitalized, he gets a hospital treatment. He also gets a loss of wages due to accident for a period of 5 days, which is normally about 120 rupees per day. So he gets about 5 days wages to compensate the loss which happens at that time. So we, in the insurance industry, are also moving forward along with our banks. Just like Canara Bank has moved very much forward, we also, as private insurance companies, and of course even other companies are following up, we are moving towards reaching the masses at their homes, at their towns, and delivering insurance policy and insurance services. Thank you so much for giving us an opportunity to show where digitalization is taking us to in the field of insurance.